Okay, so this is Steve and Darren, and I've asked Steve and Darren to come along and just have a little chat with me about their experience of being in the coaching program. So guys, you might just introduce yourselves first, just tell a little bit about yourselves.
Yeah, I'm Steve. I'm one of the clinicians here at We Fix Feet, and we've got two clinics, one here in Ilkeston, Derbyshire, and the other one in Beeston, Nottinghamshire. And this is...
I'm Darren. I'm a registered foot health practitioner, also a student podiatrist at present, working in clinic, but obviously my studies are taking up several days of that. So, yeah, things are
very busy. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I ask you guys, what was life like? What was business like before you joined the coaching program? Because you're in the coaching program about 5 or 6 months. What was life like before that?
We was busy, but stay stupidly busy because it was just myself and Darren working within the clinic. So we was doing 6 days a week, long hours. But not only that, we was constantly firefighting, doing stuff within the business, sorting problems out and everything. So a lot of the time was doing clinic work, then coming home and doing a lot of admin in the evenings.
Okay. So you were profitable. It's just you were killing yourselves.
Yeah.
I don't think there was no focus, and it was like rabbit in headlights. There's just too many things. We weren't sure on what to focus on, and I think your program's given us focus. You're coaching us in what areas that we should be looking at. Why waste time and money doing things that aren't going to be benefiting, the business or ourselves?
Okay, so can I ask you, what was your kind of top frustrations with the clinic the way it was? What drove you to kind of reach out for some help?
One was systemization on it. So we had systemization, recruitment, and possibly marketing.
Okay. And what are the key things that you guys have implemented since you joined the group? Now, I know, for example, like you guys are in Crete as we record this, and your clinic is running while you're still on holiday. So what are the kind of key things that you've done since you've joined the group about 5 or 6 months ago? Okay,
so we've had a new patient website put in place from our old one, which is now more revenue generating on it. So it's generating leads for us. We've got a marketing system that's been put in place again, which generates leads. We've just now got to work on that to build it to conversion. We've got a better recruitment program in place as well on it. And now we're more or less starting to systemize everything. So as you said, we can basically run the business while we're out here in a holiday home in Crete.
Okay. And what has been, so like the change you've seen in the clinic? So have you grown? How has the change? What change have you guys seen for yourselves?
So we have grown. We've got another part-time clinician. We've got another clinician joining us in June, part-time. And not only that is we're getting lead gens now, and we've more or less doubled our profits since joining the program. Okay.
So you doubled your profits and you've got new staff coming on board, and you're starting to kind of get a goal and a path towards the goal. That's what you mentioned earlier, Darren.
Yeah. I mean, we're looking at, we are focused. We're focused on staff, recruitment, training, with that goal in mind of being able to step back from the business to work on the business, rather than running around like a headless chicken all hours, seeing patients. I don't think that was helping anybody, either our sanity or long-term for the patients. I think if had it continued, we would have burnt out.
Okay. And what's your favorite thing about the coaching program? What's been the best part of it, really?
I'd say it's the support and guidance we've been getting on it. It's one, you get a call on the Tuesday, which is more a question and answer. So any problems you've got, you can go through, and it's not only discussed with yourself, but also with other members in the group that have probably gone through the similar experience and sharing their views. But then on the Thursdays, more the focused on what you need to do, focusing on your business, how to develop it, how to grow it on that. So yeah, it's both of them on that is giving you the guidance and everything and where to go. It's a sounding board as well as like a mentorship program as well.
Yeah, I mean, you do give us the homework to do. So it's not a case of just turning up and thinking, "Oh, that's nice." We've got to implement, and you do follow up on that. And I think one thing that kind of attracted us to this was that it wasn't the run-of-the-mill kind of mentorship program. There's an awful lot of. I hate to think that we're sheep following instruction and that's it.
Yeah.
You're making us think for ourselves and query why we're doing things, and does it benefit the business, the patients, ourselves?
Okay.
And if it don't, then don't do it.
Okay. And I'm hoping you're going to enjoy the meetups, or twice yearly meetups. You guys haven't been to one yet.
No.
Okay.
We're looking forward to the court.
To the next one.
Okay. Libation.
So what are your kind of aims or your plans with your business or with yourselves over the next, say, 1 or 2 years? Where do you see yourselves going with the business?
So ideally, we want to grow the team on it. So by growing the team, that means we can step back. So we're not doing hardly any clinical hours. We still want to do some clinical hours. So we're working on the principle is if we are doing some clinical hours and we're still in the business, we know what's going off rather than not being around. But mainly we want to be stepping back, focusing on running the business or working on the business instead of working in it on it. So being more of a backseat people on it. And so if we can spend more time out here in Crete and run it from here as well.
So it's not even about making more profit. I mean, that's fantastic and all, but it's about being able to do so without you guys having to do all the work, have to treat all the patients.
Yeah, it's giving us a bit more of a practice freedom.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the strategy, being able to implement that strategy in a controlled manner. Don't want to grow too fast, become a dinosaur and basically take over our lives, but it's be able to grow the business so it's sustainable, and be able to implement the training for the new team members that come on board as well. We want to support those team members to do the job that's best for our patients.
Okay.
I think allowing the management team time to do that, rather than being at the coalface with patients all the time, is going to benefit everybody.
Okay. And if another clinic owner is in a similar situation to the one you were in, or they're watching this, have you any advice for them with regards to their business? And I'm not telling you to tell them to join the group. That's not what I mean. But just in general, what should they be trying to do? Because you've gone through the process now, or halfway.
I would say the big thing is we've all of us in the coaching program have been there. We know what it's like on it. When you go through your university course and everything, you never get taught how to run a business or what to do in a business. So you are learning step by step. You are going to make mistakes and everything. But I would say with this, the coaching program and everything else, and we've got the guidance, you've got the support there. You've seen other members in the group. Not only can you talk within the closed Facebook groups and everything, but you get guidance from them as well, and they've probably gone through a similar situation as well with you on it. So yeah, it's more from there is we've all been everybody in the group has always been in some kind of situation that everybody's experienced, so you're not there on your own on it, and it makes you a better business owner and what you can then to support your team and your clients and patients as well in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I mean, so anybody's considering mentorship, it's going to benefit everybody. If you think you know it all, you don't. But it's bringing on board ideas from somebody yourself that has been there, done it, implemented it. It's not just regurgitating something. The theory from anybody can go read a book, but you've implemented it. And I think it's that your practical experience, having been there, done it, and the other, our peers within the group as well. I mean, I first started off by listening to your podcasts, and I thought, I like this guy. You're not a sheep following, the standard run-of-the-mill stuff. And I think it was because I saw you as a disruptor to certainly the UK podiatry arena, and that's what attracted me to you. Because there were so many people out there claiming to be mentors and programs, etc. We've dabbled, we've tried, but your program certainly gets us focused and implementing things.
The other thing I'll say is, well, a lot of business owners will automatically think, when they considering it and looking at it and going, first thing that will pop into their mind is, oh, it's a big expense on it, or it's an expense that, can they afford that? I would say for us, what it's done is that expense has been worth it, because it's turned us around. And as we mentioned, we've already doubled our profits. So that expense does outweigh what you are going to get in return.
You should be able to, like, I want my clinic owners, anyone who joins a group, to be able to, within the first month, be making enough to pay off the cost of being in the group. And after that, it's jam on top.
I mean, we're looking at it not necessarily a cost, but what's the value of this program?
Investment.
It's an investment in the business, in ourselves.
Okay, that's great, lads. I really appreciate your giving me your feedback, and just for others to see what it's been like for so far in your journey.
Okay, thank you very much.